Well, it's been a long time getting this thing back together and redoing everything, but I think we got it. Last night took a good bit of time to bleed the injectors out and get that set, and it's been sitting overnight. Should be super cold now, and I want to see how well it starts up cold, because before I rebuilt all this and put the new injection pump on, it had a really hard time starting cold. It sputtered and blew smoke for a good 15-20 minutes after it started up. And it would take about 10 minutes to actually run smooth. It would shake and sputter for a good 10 minutes or more. And it just kept blowing smoke, tons of smoke. So we're going to see how well this starts up. Now, do keep in mind, this pump is currently set stock. I don't have it turned up. I don't have it adjusted. Everything is stock on it. But I do have the gear advanced 1 tooth. So I advanced it from O to E to O to C. So it's 1 tooth advanced. So let's give it a shot. See how it starts up. Check out the tailpipe. Things are still a crazy mess here. I am impressed. That is incredibly clean. Maybe like a very, very slight haze. Wow. Now, another big thing that it would do is you could not rev it up at an idle. If it was sitting here and you didn't have it in gear or something, if you tried to rev it up, it would sputter and shake really bad and blow tons of white smoke. So as you can see here, nice and smooth. Definitely very happy. It is purring. Now this is interesting. Got a little bit of a collapse there. I think our radiator's a little bit low. Let's have a look. Yeah, we're a little bit low. There we go. No biggie. All right. Very nice. Definitely happy with the results. Well, that's it for this video. Definitely happy with how it turned out. Sounds really nice. Surprisingly, it still sounds really good, even for being advanced and running stock. So the next big thing is I'm going to get in here and I'm probably going to leave the smoke screw alone. When I installed the pump, I did do a little tweaking with the the fuel pin or the star screw and the fuel boost pin in there. But I'm going to turn up the fuel, maybe do a little bit more adjustment on the star screw in here, maybe do something about the spring, but I definitely want to keep this stock or even lessen it. I hate smoke at an idle. I definitely want it. I love how clean it's coming out of that tailpipe. I absolutely love that. But when I stomp on it, I definitely want to get a little coal rolling there. And then I just got to mount up the pedal linkage and stuff, and this truck is good to go. That's it for this video today. Thanks for watching.